guys, and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna dye my hair. Red has been my go-to, to be honest, for like a little while now, and like I just love red and I just think it's so cute on me. However, I'm over it. Like I need a little change, a little something. I was trying to do at first I wanted to do like this section of like hair red, and then I ended up just dyeing my whole head red. But that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a section of my hair red. So let's start off with what you're gonna need, okay? So I'm using box dye. I'm not gonna go spend money on regular dye when I could put in like, because permanent dye is like so damaging, and box dye is damaging as well, but it's not as damaging. So yeah, here I go trying. Anyways, so I'm gonna use, this is currently the red that I'm using in my hair now. It's like every time I wash my hair it like slowly comes out, so it looks pretty brown right now, to be honest, because there's gel in it. When it's wet it looks very brown, but when it's dry it looks very red. So I don't know, but I'm gonna go with this red. This is actually really, like, when it comes out it's like really good, and I'm gonna use this red. It says intense medium auburn here, but at the top it says cherry crush, so I don't know what color it is. And I'm gonna do the black box dye, same L'Oreal Fury, whatever the fuck, bright black. It says that they're bright black 21, but at the top it says Starry Night. So if you're gonna find these dyes, I guess either name works. So you're gonna need those, and also I have reusable rubber gloves. I think rubber, yeah, you're supposed to use rubber when you're dyeing your hair. And I usually use Vaseline around my hair, but last time I didn't use it and it worked perfectly fine, didn't burn my hair or anything, or my skin or anything. So, but if you want to be safe, use Vaseline around your hair. Rub it all over your ears, on the back of your neck and everything, just to make sure that it doesn't burn you, especially if you have sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, but fuck it. Anyways, a bowl, measuring bowl, obviously and I have a tail comb and some separator thingies, and yeah, you really don't need this. I prefer to use it just so I can get my hair. It comes with a little thing in there you can shake up and just put in your hair, but I don't want to do that. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have my hair sectioned off. This is where I'm gonna keep the red. It's not perfectly parted off, but I don't mind because I kind of want it to look blended in, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the black dye. I'm gonna do the black dye first and show you guys how that comes out. So I'm gonna I'm gonna show you guys like the box stuff that it comes with, and I'm gonna mix it up in my bowl and show you real quick. So I'm just showing you guys how I mix the things that come in the box dye, which is the cream color and the developer. It's black, so it doesn't come with an extra anything. It has the cream color developer and like this oil boosting shining thing, and I couldn't get it open, so I walked away, and I should have cut that out, but I'm already recording my voice, so I'll be back soon to put the oil in though. The shine or whatever, shine booster, that's what it's called, the shine booster. Okay, so I put the shine booster in, and then I mix. So you gotta really mix it, make sure it looks like a pudding consistency, like a jello-y pudding consistency, and then you're good to go. You're good to use it. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking now, but you get the gist. If you know how to dye your hair, you know how to dye your hair. I mean, box dye is pretty easy, the instructions are in there. But yeah, make sure it looks like pudding. Don't pour water on your head, you know. It gotta be pudding. Like, it gotta be all mixed out. The lumps gotta be out. Everything has to be like real mixed in. But yes, I'm gonna stop talking now. Yeah, so enjoy that. Okay, so now that I have my dye mixed and ready, I'm gonna be looking at the camera and the mirror, so you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair out. Yo, the amount of times I've been embarrassed doing my hair like on here, but I don't know where I want to start, but because it's black, it's really easy to just throw it on there. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna be very careful here because
cause that's that fake love. I don't want no love, that shit is fake and that's that fake love. I can't trust the word these bitches say cause that's that fake love. You lying to my face, baby, you was gon' change.
It's dangerous, I can't fuck with rats, no they can't hang with us, steady working hard, I know they hating us. These niggas is rats, they keep on changing up. These niggas ain't shit, man, they ain't dangerous. She love my flow, came from nothing, don't you know? From the bottom, I'm so cold, bitches left me all alone. My niggas know, I can never wife a hoe. Niggas talking on my name, fuck what they say. 40 cents into your face, be my brothers in a cage, I'm trying to get paid, I ain't making no mistakes. Let me tell you about my dreams, let me tell you about a nigga who fell in love with the skis. Shorty done left me on scene, hopped in my Birkin, I started chasing all my dreams. Now it's just me and my team, Glizzy with me, we gon' steady hop out different V's. Swaggy smoking on the trees, Randy with me, we got all these bitches on their knees. Coming from nothing, just another young and the bitches left me in the backpack. Can't wait till I'm flooded, I got bitches frontin', now I'm just chasing all this fast cash. Can't fuck with the fake love, the streets are too dangerous, only fucking with the gang. I came up from nothing, now I'm busy stunting, can't wait to have all of my chains hang.
I don't want no love, that shit is fake and that's that fake love. I can't trust the word these bitches say cause that's that fake love. I don't want no love, that shit is fake and that's that fake love. I can't trust the word these bitches say cause that's that fake love, yeah. Baby, what's your vibe? Tell me what you wanna do. And you be on my mind, girl, you something I can't lose. You could be by my side, but you like to pick and choose. It's so easy just to lie, why can't you just tell the truth? And I know that you be fucking with them niggas, but you don't know that I be stuck up in my feelings. I'm so cold. When I rap, I hope you feel it. Left me so broke. When I blow up, you gon' regret it. She like, baby, why you hate me? Cause girl, you drive me crazy. You want me come and chase you, but you would never chase me. Take you right back to that casa, throw it back like it's the 80s. All them lies, don't want no drama, so them tears will never faze me. Ooh, she had them things that I like. Bad bitch, long hair, you see the demon in her eyes. Told these niggas don't stare, I know she bad, but yeah, she mine. Gucci with the more clear, best believe my baby fly. I know that you feel it too. Fucking with them niggas, baby, look how they belittle you. I was fighting demons, baby, look at what you put me through. You don't know your worth and you surprised why I ain't fuck with you. Took my heart and ran, you got me broke, they say I'm vulnerable. Yeah, I'm smoking daily, I don't function when I think of you. Got me writing songs, I'm in my bag just trying to get to you.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my head with a plastic cap. This is the salon one, so it does kind of heat up on its own when it's over the head. I'm only gonna do it for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna overdo it because it's black hair dye, but you can always do up to 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the red box dye. So, you know, the cream color, the developer, everything. I love this one, and I was prepared with the shine booster child, so I didn't have to go back and cut it. But this one comes with a color booster. Look at that red. Yeah, I forgot to show y'all, but yeah, it comes with a color booster, and it just makes it look so good. Like, look when I start mixing it, to die for. My goodness. But yeah, when I used to dye my hair, my whole head, this color was just so beautiful. If you want to see what that color looked like, you could check that out on my Instagram channel. You know, it's linked below. But yes, let's get into this video again.
Baby, what's your vibe? Tell me what you wanna do. And you be on my mind, girl, you something I can't lose. You could be by my side, but you like to pick and choose. It's so easy just to lie, why can't you just tell the truth? And I know that you be fucking with them niggas, but you don't know that I be stuck up in my feelings. I'm so cold. When I rap, I hope you feel it. Left me so broke. When I blow up, you gon' regret it. why you hate me? Cause girl, you drive me crazy. You want me come and chase you, but you would never chase me. Take you right back to the casa, throw it back like it's the 80s. All them lies don't want no drama, so them tears will never faze me. Ooh, she had them things that I like. Bad bitch, long hair, you see the demon in her eyes. Told these niggas don't stare, I know she bad, but yeah, she mine. Gucci with the more clear, best believe my baby fly. I know that you feel it too. Fucking with them niggas, baby, look how they belittle you. I was fighting demons, baby, look at what you put me through. You don't know.
When it all comes crashing down, girl, you're gonna love me. What you gonna do when all your love hits the ground? You're gonna love me.
Baby, what's your vibe? Tell me what you wanna do. And you be on my mind, girl, you something I can't lose. You could be by my side, but you like to pick and choose. It's so easy just to lie, why can't you just tell the truth? And I know that you be fucking with them niggas, but you don't know that I be stuck up in my feelings. I'm so cold. When I rap, I hope you feel it. Left me so broke. When I blow up, you gon' regret it. She like, baby, why you hate me? Cause girl, you drive me crazy. You want me come and chase you, but you would never chase me. Take you right back to the casa, throw it back like it's the 80s. All them lies don't want no drama, so them tears will never faze me. Ooh, she had them things that I like. Bad bitch, long hair, you see the demon in her eyes. Told these niggas don't stare, I know she bad, but yeah, she mine. Gucci with the more clear, best believe my baby fly. I know that you feel it too. Fucking with them niggas, baby, look how they belittle you. I was fighting demons, baby, look at what you put me through. You don't know your worth and you surprised why I ain't fuck with you. Took my heart and ran, you got me broke, they say I'm vulnerable. Yeah, I'm smoking daily, I don't function when I think of you. Got me writing songs, I'm in my bag just trying to get to you. I be in the booth expressing pain cause I ain't feeling you. Baby, what's your vibe? Tell me what you wanna do. And you be on my mind, girl, you something I can't lose. You could be by my side, but you like to pick and choose. It's so easy just to lie, why can't you just tell the truth? I know that you be fucking with them niggas, but you don't know that I be stuck up in my feelings. I'm so cold. When I rap, I hope you feel it. Left me so broke. When I blow up, you gon' regret it.
So again with the 30 minutes and the cap, but I wanted to show you guys how my hair turned out. It didn't really take that well. I mean, I did a little slow-mo thing with the flash on, but I honestly feel like it did not take that well. And I have another video where I'm trying to explain that, so you'll see. So has anyone else noticed that my hair is two different colors? You can't even tell. It's cute, but you can't even tell. So I decided to go ahead and buy the dye that I've seen a lot of people talk about. Of course, I have to put on my red gloves. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. It was red, but like it wasn't that it didn't really show, and I didn't like that. So anyways, girl, I'm putting on my red gloves. You know, you gotta put on the red gloves. So the color I'm using is High Color Highlights, you know, for dark shades. I don't remember what shade that red is, so I'm going to make sure I link it below. And also I use the 40 developer that I only can get from Sally Beauty, I believe. It's called Ion Developer. I also will link that below. So basically I kind of eyeballed it. I used like a quarter of the tube, 1/4 of the tube, as well as 1/4 the amount of developer. Like, you know, I do 1:1 ratio. I just feel like the color takes better when you do it that way. So when I'm mixing, I make sure to really mix it out, because clumps that are left in the mix can really give yourself an uneven dye, and you don't want to do that. I do want to say though, it is a lot of work to make sure that all of those clumps are out. So if they do sell whisks for hair dye, if you want to invest in one of those, you can also get one of those. It'll cut the time in half. But I don't mind standing there and watching TV and mixing a bowl of dye. But yeah, anyways, this red I have never used before. It was like trial and error with this, I guess. But yeah, it looked really similar to the box dye, so I guess I don't mind it. But the color was coming out beautiful, but you really have to make sure you mix to get rid of those clumps, because you don't want to unevenly dye your hair.
keep me a heater. Yeah, we serving a cause they feeling. 4-5, gotta keep me a 4-5. Yeah, we at the whip. Like no lie, yeah, my niggas they gon' ride. Yeah, they be with the shit. Southside, yeah, we jacking that southside. Throw it down, you get hit. That's your mid right. Hit him up, moving left, right. Yeah, you better not slip. Wait, gang, gang. Yeah, the chop make it run like you say. Like a house on the block, like it's doomsday. You don't jack what I jack, no, you can't hang. Trapping hard on that block, gotta maintain. All my shooters be jacking the same thing. It ain't cap, all my niggas got great aim. Cooking CDs, my niggas gon' get paid. Oh, wait. Said these niggas be stealing my flows. I'm the youngest in charge, I'm a GOAT. Put this quote to his dome, he froze. Niggas hate, but they keeping it low. I'm a flex and he snatching your soul. See, a IP ain't making it home. The Avengers, we pop out and blow. Yeah, they call me a menace. Trap hard back up and we love for the trenches. See, I when we dead them. I ain't saying no names, I don't care about the sentence. Fuck his bitch for stressing. If he fucking with ops and shots, no question. For they teach him a lesson. But I up and I blessed that boy to heaven. Wait, I gotta keep me a Nina. See, I up in the film, no squeezing. And I cannot fuck with you skeezers. Yeah, I keep me a Glock and a beaming. 2 thoughts in the back of the beamer. Suck me up as she swallow the semen. Favorite patch gotta keep me a heater. Yeah, we serving a cause they fiendin'. Oh, so we serving a cause they fiendin'.
So after I applied the dye, I decided to comb it out with the rat tail comb, just because I feel like that distributes it to each strand evenly. I used to do this a lot when I used to dye my whole head of hair, so I just felt like this was the best thing to do to get it in there, and it worked. So I'm not gonna go against this idea, but if you're not comfortable doing that, you can always just use your fingers and make sure you get it through every strand of hair. So this time I only put the cap on for like 20 minutes because I had just dyed it like last week. But yeah, anyways, I want to hurry up and tell y'all thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, follow me, all of that. These are the only videos I had, but this is how it came out. I appreciate y'all for watching, and please like and share. Bye.